Do you want to help your business go green and save a bunch of money? That's great. Black & Veatch and Solarhood want to help you get going with these 4 steps. Step 1. Just head to solarhood.com/business and let us know who to reach out to. We'll be in touch to learn a little more about your company's goals and identify some initial building locations to analyze. Using high-tech satellite wizardry, Black & Veatch, powered by Solarhood's technology, will prepare some free site screenings. This will enable us to quickly analyze your solar potential and identify which locations can save money on day 1. If your roof isn't optimal for solar, then our specialists will gladly help find alternative solutions, such as battery storage, through Black & Veatch's comprehensive capabilities. With assessments in hand, schedule a consultation with one of our specialists to confirm sites with the quickest payback that you'd like to move forward with. If viable, we'll even provide a roadmap for adding solar to your preferred locations. Lastly, go solar and rest easy knowing you have Black & Veatch's 100 years of experience backing your renewable energy solution. Let our nationwide execution capabilities and programmatic support, from feasibility to operations and maintenance, help make your goals of going green a reality.